Hello folks, welcome back. Welcome to another almost daily vlog. I've noticed in a few of these videos that I keep looking at the screen down here and not at the camera up there, which makes it look like I'm half asleep. So that's not my normal look. I'm now trying to look at the camera lens rather than the screen. I'll try and get used to it. I'm going to start this video with a thank you actually, because one of the nice things about doing these videos is we get some good feedback, and occasionally a customer will send us a gift as a thank you from one of our videos. So if I just swing the camera around, I've had a quick look at this. I haven't done a proper look. I've got an idea of what is in there, but yeah, this customer, they had during lockdown, they used one of our how-to video on fitting a radiator, and they were so pleased with it, they've sent us a welding mask, which is extremely generous of them. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's not very easy, hang on. I probably should have got some assistance for this. So yeah, brilliant. I'm sure one of the guys will appreciate that and use that, so thank you very much to that customer. They've also sent us some of their favourite gloves, which look great. So yeah, and some helmet accessories there, and there was a letter as well, which I did find quite amusing, titled Gentleman of the Five. So thank you very much for that. We appreciate that very much. Right, let's go outside and see. No hat today. See my bald head. It's warm, so the hat's gone bye-bye. Right, let's see what we've got outside. That's the one that was on Ashley's ramp yesterday, getting prepared for the underseal. Not a bad car, this one. It's going to need some welding works, definitely, in the future. There's a bit of work on the seals, but yeah, not a bad car. Chris took the S Limited home last night. He enjoyed that. Said he preferred the Mazda Speed seats in his car though. We haven't started that one yet. That's my wife's California, which needs a clean. This is our one we've got coming up for sale. That just needs a final polish, which I think Chris is going to do. We've spoken about this one. This one here has come in, oh blimey, what's that one coming in for? Oil leak and a clutch issue and a service, I think. So we'll be looking at that tomorrow probably. That one there has come in for the customer that had the red Mark 1 that had the running issue that's now gone. He took that away and brought this one in, and this one's overheating, so we're going to have a look at that for him. And the low mileage Icon that we sold, that's being picked up on Friday. We'll fit the Sun Sport grille to that as per the customer's request. Roy has been cracking on with DPE, giving it a polish. You alright, Roy? I'm struggling to see the camera here, it's so bright. Right, so screen's in, new screen in.
Yeah, new screen.
Got that repainted. Yeah, they're a bit low.
Yeah.
And you're just going, giving it a polish.
Yeah, it was pink, as you may have seen in previous videos.
Yeah, it was a little bit pink.
Not now, so I compounded it, it's going to go with some polish now. And
sure, it's coming up well.
Hopefully it go out Saturday. Job finished. We've got some car races in there.
Alright. I need to run through and turn the that's coming up really well, isn't it? I'm going to go and turn the really loud radio off. Gets a bit like that sometimes. Right. I'll go to Chris first and tell him to stop being noisy, if you can hear me. Better.
I think I need to drive it to tell, but it's a bit hard to tell if it's in first or starting in second. So I've swapped the ECU over and a couple of other bits. Just need to find out now whether it's starting in first.
Alright.
Because that was the problem. It wouldn't select first, it would like pull away in second. So,
Okay.
yeah, at that point, yeah.
Road test next then.
Yeah, but it only changed gear 3 times then. Second, third, fourth. Would be. So, yeah.
Alright. It might seem like Chris hasn't done a lot, but he did a roof earlier today.
Yeah, I did a roof. I sorted the puncture out.
Oh yeah. Fitted that Zum Sport grill.
Fitted the Sunsport, but that was technical. That was.
Yeah. Was that like the max? You're like stretching your
Yeah,
abilities.
it was actually. Well, it was because the way the clip came down, it comes down like this, and it's designed to clip underneath the bonnet, the bumper. But it was like at a funny angle. I couldn't get it to go underneath, so I did have to struggle.
Okay. That bodes well. How you getting on, Ash?
Yeah.
So you're getting this ready for its undersill? All cleaned up, seam sealing where the repairs were. Is there anything else new on this? Rear discs. Oh, we've had to put a caliper on, have we?
Yeah, both the rear ones wouldn't adjust, so
Right.
on the rear.
Okay.
Bumpers off, that straightened out.
Oh, you got that. So that's, yeah. So this is where that bit of damage was. So we just straightened that, and obviously you'll get some underseal on that. Okay. And then let's find out, get those panels off that other red breaker we've got, and work out
Yeah.
if we need to paint anything afterwards. Sweet. Okay. Don't know where Grant is. He's done with Ashley. All right. Let's lower this one down then. He's been going through, there's various bits and bobs on this car, so he's been going through bit by bit. The main thing really that's probably best for talking about is the repair on the which you can't see. Down there was a hole down here, but he's welded up, primed, and definitely sealed up. Okay, other side. I don't think there was any works to do that side really. No, that's fine. This door's been stripped down to sort out this key scratch. And we're going to try and polish out. I don't know if you'll pick these up on camera or not, but there's some scratches there. There's a small dent in the wing which has been removed, and a scratch on that to sort out. So I think, is there anything else? Ah, there's Grant. Is there anything else to talk about on this? I've spoken about the windscreen surround. Door I've spoken about.
Side, bumper,
Yeah.
wing.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Laters.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.